Hey guys, we're Mark and Ali, and together we make Studio Mali. So it's Mark and Ali and Mali. So we're here to talk a little bit about our business, which we started about a year and a half ago. We started the business because we came back from 2 years of traveling and we didn't know what to do with ourselves. We had lots of ideas and lots of inspiration. So we kind of just started making things and selling them. And we're just going to share a little bit about what we've done. And Ali's going to talk through a couple of products in a minute. So hopefully you get to see some of the things that we've made over the last few years.
So when we came back, I think it was the summer of 2018, we started developing a couple of products, started taking them to markets. One of the first pieces we designed were some coasters, and we sell them in lots of different styles, but this is probably one of our favorite ones. It's inspired by a building in Berlin called the Mary Elizabeth Luders House. It's like a contemporary style building. And we sort of took some of the shapes from it and we abstracted them. And that sort of formed the inspiration for these coasters. Another piece that we've designed is a necklace called the Lizitsky necklace, which I'm holding. And basically, we traveled over from Russia on the Trans-Siberian train, starting in Moscow and ending in Siberia. And we went on to Mongolia as well. But we were really inspired by a suprematist artist called El Lizitsky. He has very graphic work, and that took the inspiration for this necklace.
Cool. So I hope you enjoyed our first live sharing. A bit scary. If you want to see anything, other products we've made, you can look at our website. It's just at the bottom there. And also, if you want to see about any of our travel stories, there's loads on there from our year away. So you're welcome to have a little peruse of that.
There's lots of videos as well.
Yeah, you can also check out our Instagram for our more up-to-date stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we're going to be back again soon. See you.
Thanks. Bye.